Hey y'all, welcome back. You know I always start off with an oracle deck to feel the energy. Oracle gives me energy of the read. This is the card. And we're gonna start off with storm warning. Ooh. That's the card. I see lightning coming down. This is the shores. Tornado. Yeah, this water's choppy. Storm warning. It's the energy. I'm gonna start off with tarot. Oh, look at this card in there. Hey, how'd I get in there? The Fool. The Fool is in here. I'm taking it. This is a naive spirit running through the grass. Do not see the hole that somebody dug for them. They may fall in. They want them to fall in. Storm warning. That's the energy. Wow, that means reversals are here. I'm going to take the reversals. Take them as they come. This is a general read. So if I say she, it may be a he. And if I say he, it may be a she. Take it how it resonates. I hope that this helps someone. Okay. Let's go. Ooh, they're talking. They are very anxious to tell you the Four of Wands. Four of Wands is a celebration. Somebody is celebrating. But somebody also naive. Somebody dug a ditch for this person, hoping they fall into it. That's it. These two popped out and went back in. This is the Hermit in reverse. The Hermit is a wise person, leader, goes within, very spiritual. This person is not. This is no leader, not going within, not listening to his intuition. The Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, but her cup is closed. She's very caring, giving, but for some reason her cup is closed. And he's not going within. Well, what is going on here? Storm warning. Wow, that card is flipped over and I didn't even see it. The Knight of Wands. Ooh, he got a red wand too. It's taking action. He is taking action. He is fully geared up for battle. And her cup is closed. Right next to each other. Okay. But it's a joyous celebration. On the outside, looking in. Because look, if you look at it, they outside. They're not inside their home having a celebration with each other. They're outside pretending. The Nine of Wands. Self-belief, resilient. Let's see what this is about. Self-belief and resilience. Nine of Wands. Oh, justice. Justice has been called. This looks like the Archangel Michael is having someone ascend, removing them from this situation. Somebody is being removed from this storm that's about to hit. Wow, there it is. The Four of Cups. Four of Cups. Somebody is not seeing an offer that's right in front of them. See that cup is illuminated? They're naive to this cup. They have their eyes closed, holding on to a smaller cup. Praying, look like. The Eight of Swords. The Eight of Swords in reverse. The Eight of Swords is usually blindfolded, stuck. This person got away. They untied themselves. They walked away from this trap. So the ditch they dug, they didn't fall into. They didn't fall into that ditch. They geared up their this is the knight in shining armor. You see, he got his red sword. He's ready to defeat. He's ready. He's resilient. He see this cup in front of him. He don't want it. He don't want it. The Page of Wands. He's not just taking a leap of faith. He's planning this. Contemplating on. The King of Cups in reverse. The King of Cups in reverse. This is this queen. That's why her cup is closed. She see the storm warning. She heard it. She knows it. She know this King of Cups out here in choppy waters with this little baby cup. Evil as could be. Look at his face. Ooh-wee. Ace of Swords. This is in reverse. The Ace of Swords is usually clarity, the truth. She know about the lies and deceptions. She been cut by this knife. She's heeding to the storm warning. She's not falling in that ditch. She know that he's pretending outside. They both been pretending outside that it was a joyous union, celebrating. The Six of Cups in reverse. Childish. Six of Cups is normally playfulness, a good time, goodwill. In reverse, saddened, alone, sort of miserable. That's sad. She caught on. She got freed of that. She's freed. She's freeing herself from getting away, or she just freed herself. She's heeding the warning. She said change decks. This is a card popped out though. The Death in the upright. She heeding the warning. It's over. She's going to have new beginnings. Change the decks to the Housewives. See what's going on. Wow! Wait a minute. It's jumping out. She want to tell us something. What she said? The Five of Wands. Five of Wands is usually frustrated, overwhelmed, tired of the drama. Okay. Told me to shuffle. Even though I did all that. Oh, there's the card. Justice. She taking action herself. She is going to discipline this situation. She's getting disciplined within herself. She's going inside. The Hierophant. She's going within. She's listening. Judgment. Didn't Judgment come out here before? He did. Judgment twice. She's not caring about... She's preparing. She's getting herself together. She's getting herself together. You heard a Judgment. The one was ascending. And now she's getting herself together. She's worried about her looks, her health. She's getting herself together. The Sun. The Sun is excitement, wish fulfillment, happiness, joyous. The Page of Wands. He don't even recognize that she is getting herself together. He don't even see that she's ascending. He's so into his self and his whatever he doing, he ain't paying attention. The Seven of Wands. Somebody standing their ground. They was defiant, but they're standing their ground. They cleaning this up with a toothbrush. I can't pick it up. I mean, she gotta go miss a spot. The Page of Pentacles. When she finished with him, he gonna be the Page of Pentacles. That's what she's saying. He ain't gonna have much of nothing monetarily, because she was heartbroken. Four Swords. She's taking a break. Honey, she getting into herself. Didn't I say that? She's taking a break from all this and getting into herself. Didn't I just say that? You can't make it up. Five of Pentacles. Ooh. This is loss of money. That's where the storm is at. Storm warning. Something ain't right with the money. They used to have it, now they don't. Ace of Pentacles. New opportunity is coming. Nine of Cups. In love, honey. She feeling blessed and highly favored. Oh, the Moon. Resilient, self-reflecting. Honey, I don't know who she met or what she got planned, but pleasant dreams. Two of Swords. Ooh. This is the guard. She putting her guards up. She was blinded, but she could feel her senses. She's going within. She's guarded, but she's going within. She's using her intuition. The Chariot. She's taking the risk and she's leaving. She's moving forward. And that's the truth. Clarity. That's the truth. Ace of Swords. This King of Wands. This King of Wands out here laying it low and spreading it wide. Fixing everybody's everything. He the plumber. He the gardener for everybody. It's single women. He's the King of Wands. Oh, he out here cheating. That's where the money at. That's why they're going through a loss of income. Because he out here being the King of Wands. But the Six of Swords, I can't make this up. She's recovering from it and she's moving on. Give me one more card. More card. I'm going to use this other deck. Oh, she took heed to this storm warning. She took heed to it. She ain't sitting there arguing, fussing, and fighting. She getting herself together. Y'all see it? She has turned into the Knight of Wands. She taking action. Oh, 2 cards came out. The Three of Pentacles. And the Wheel of Fortune in the upright. That's how she's moving on. The wheel is in her favor. And the Two of Pentacles. She ain't juggling. She ain't putting up with that. She moving on. She's not going to keep trying to balance things. She's just going to run. She ain't chasing. She running away from this situation because she see the storm is coming. And she's not running away from her home or her life. It's not happy. He won't go within. He won't change. He won't fix anything. He been the King of Wands out here. Taking action all over the place with everybody. She was feeling trapped. Tied down and burdened. He didn't care because he was the Page of Pentacles when it came to her. She had to put her guards up. Now she cleaning up. Finding love. Coming out of burden. Taking time for herself. And he's still out here playing like a kid. But justice is served. That's 3.